Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 64. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 别在目的时间邦麦海沙漠 If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 63 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have 结婚,结婚,结婚,离婚,离婚,离婚. The meaning of 结婚 is to get married, and the meaning of 离婚 is divorce. So 结婚 is to get married, 离婚 is divorce. Once again, 结婚 is to get married, 离婚 is divorce. Let's read together. 结婚,结婚,结婚,离婚,离婚,离婚. The next slide we have 求婚,求婚,求婚,婚姻,婚姻,婚姻. The meaning of 求婚 is wedding proposal, and the meaning of 婚姻 is wedding. So 求婚 is wedding proposal, and 婚姻 is wedding. Once again, 求婚 is wedding proposal, 婚姻 is wedding. Let's read together. 求婚,求婚,求婚,婚姻,婚姻,婚姻. Let's move on to the next slide. We have 新娘,新娘,新娘,新郎,新郎,新郎. The meaning of 新娘 is bride, and the meaning of 新郎 is groom. So 新娘 is bride, and 新郎 is groom. Once again, 新娘 is bride, 新郎 is groom. Let's read together. 新娘,新娘,新娘,新郎,新郎,新郎. Another vocab here. 未婚妻,未婚妻,未婚妻,未婚夫,未婚夫,未婚夫. The meaning of 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman, and the meaning of 未婚夫 is also fiancé, but it is for man. So 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman, and 未婚夫 is fiancé for man. Once again, 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman, and 未婚夫 is fiancé for man. Let's read together. 未婚妻,未婚妻,未婚妻,未婚夫,未婚夫,未婚夫. And that's all guys for today's lesson. I hope to see you guys again on our next lesson.